In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another. We'll walk through the full process so you can move your account safely, keep all your photos, messages, and followers, and start using Instagram on your new device without losing anything. First, make sure you know your Instagram login details. That means your username and either the email address or phone number linked to your account, plus your password. If you're not sure, open Instagram on your old phone. Go to your profile, tap the menu in the top corner, then go to Settings and check your account information. It's a good idea to confirm that your email and phone number are correct and up to date, in case you need them for verification later. Next, on your new phone, make sure you're connected to the internet, preferably over Wi-Fi for a smoother setup. Open the App Store on your device, search for Instagram, and download or update the official Instagram app. Once it's installed, open the app and tap Login. Now you'll see a few different login options. Choose the one that matches how you usually sign in. You can log in with your username, your email, or the phone number attached to your account. Carefully type in your details and then enter your password. Take your time here and double-check what you type, especially if your password has symbols or numbers. If Instagram asks for verification, such as a code sent to your email or phone, go ahead and retrieve that code and enter it in the app. This step is normal, especially when you sign in from a new device, and it helps keep your account secure. Once you successfully log in, you'll see your familiar Instagram home screen with your feed, your profile, and all your messages. At this point, your account has been transferred in the sense that it's now active on your new phone. Instagram doesn't move files from one phone to the other. Instead, your entire account is stored online, so as soon as you log in, everything is there. If you still have your old phone and you don't want Instagram accessible on it anymore, open Instagram on the old device, go to your profile, then Settings, and scroll to the option to log out. For extra security, you can log out of all devices from the security section inside Settings. This makes sure only your new phone remains signed in. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Instagram account from your old phone to your new one, keeping everything intact and secure.